Students can measure chemical and physical properties of water samples taken from streams and ponds in their community. They can speculate about the environmental conditions that influence these properties of water and learn how these properties influence the biological organisms living in local ecosystems. The water quality lesson described here takes a unique approach. Students were provided experiences allowing them to use both traditional and newer technologies for gathering data about water quality and aquatic organisms. They used probes to collect temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, and turbidity data. They measured the same variables with a thermometer, chemical additives producing a color indicating pH level or the concentration of dissolved oxygen, and a turbidity tube that uses the depth of water through which one can distinguish a visual pattern as a way to measure how effectively light penetrates the water. They measure depth with a weighted line and with a sonar device. Aquatic specimens were collected using a dip net and were observed using an underwater camera. Specimens were observed under a microscope when necessary. Images of specimens were collected using digital cameras and video. Here are some samples illustrating student experiences. Here a teacher directs students as they position an underwater camera. The signal from the small device is sent back to a viewing screen or to a video camera. This device allows some very interesting images to be recorded.
Bring him out.
Various specimens were collected. Some were viewed through a microscope. Others were observed and photographed, and then returned to the water.
That is so crazy looking. Shoot the minnows. I thought that was like.
Okay, you want to turn him over?
What?
Wow.
I got Mr.
Students measure depth using a weighted string and sonar.
Then you're going to have to measure how far. Right, there you go.
Specialized pH, dissolved oxygen, and turbidity probes send data to a handheld palm.
Okay, 15, 20.
Data from multiple teams of students were recorded so that the various measurements could be compared.
You're right, those are inches, so let's just do there.
During this outing, students had the opportunity to spend time in the field and to gather data to be discussed once they returned to their classrooms.